Hello everyone, my name is Sumit, an aspiring data scientist. I have the same name on my edX. My GitHub and CS50 username is nurturegrit from Amritsar, India, in Punjab. The final project of my CS50 Python is password manager. I made this video on 17th of August 2024. My Python, my password manager is capable of three tasks: good at generating passwords, saving passwords based on the websites and usernames or emails, searching for previously saved passwords. Now let's see it in action. Here it is. Here's the project. First of all, I had three files in my project folder. Let's delete this. Okay. First one is a project file, the test Python, that is test project file. Now let's check the project. As I run it, it will give me a simple user interface which has three fields. One is website, username, and password. Now let's fill a website. Here is the username. Here is the password. Let's add it. Okay, password added. Now let's try to search it. What was my password? I forgot. Let's search it. Oh, here it is. Now, this is where all the previously added passwords are stored in a data row JSON file. Maybe I should encrypt it. I will expand this project. You can find it in my GitHub. Now let's see the third function. First is searching checked, adding checked. Let's try to generate a password. Here I will generate a password. Quite difficult, right? Let's add it. Here, it's changed. Okay, that's it, guys. If you like, we can collaborate on this project. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.